Okay, the next step is actually in Photoshop. So I'm going to open up Photoshop and I want you to do the same. Do the same. Once we're in Photoshop, this will take a second. We will then import or open the image and do the next step. And then we'll bring that image back into Corel Draw. Okay, in Photoshop, we're going to File, Open, select the image that you just saved, so the one that I just created, Open. Now that image is open in Photoshop. I'm going to use a tool called Threshold. So I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and then Threshold right here. And that's going to give me a black and white. So it's removing the grayscale. That's one of the parts we need here for the next step. Now I need you to adjust the threshold though. So find a place where you have the details that you want. And for me, I want to make sure I have this shadow in here. I think it's important for the shape of the mask here. For you, that's going to just depend what amount of detail you want to see. So as I kind of scrub back and forth, I find that spot. Now, I know I'm losing this edge here, but I'm gaining this here. If I lose this edge, it's okay. I can show myself where it is later as I'm placing words into the black area, which is what we're going to do. I can redefine that edge, no problem, and I'll show you how to do that later. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it back over to this part here where I actually get that shadow back in place, and I keep these details over here, and click OK. And you can see the details get better after you click OK. And the background is not important for us. We're not worried about the background. We can ignore that in the artwork process. So File, Save, Save As, or Save, and quality 10 or 8 is fine. Click OK. And that same image that we just opened should look like this. And we're going to import that image into Corel Draw, back into Corel Draw.